3 rounds. I thought about it. Get some. Get some.
taking the opening rack with authority. We head now to the second rack.
Ashley Benoit versus Rachel.
Efren Reyes goes for a safety attempt, but had left an open shot and Fedor Gorst takes full advantage,
Action match on the stream.
cleaning up the table with such confidence.